The air grows thick with sand and anticipation. Today, we're going to test our mettle and push beyond our comfort zones as we attempt to conquer fins and things.
We're gonna air down and then we're gonna hit fins and things and see how that goes. So it'll be fun.
Rock crawling is usually not in our wheelhouse, as we tend to stick to soft roads and trails. So today, we will see what our rigs and our nerves can handle. Right along. Today's rigs include Ruth, our 2001 Lexus LX470, and Dolma, a 2000 Jeep Cherokee XJ, piloted by our friend JJ. Our friends Zach and Sammy are riding along to explore the landscape and to help us capture the experience. Early on in the trail, as Dolma attempts to climb a fairly steep section of the slickrock, she begins to leak an unidentified fluid, and JJ radios us for backup. We had chosen a different path around the obstacle and had to backtrack to check in on their rig. The decision is made to winch Dolma up onto flat terrain in an effort to stop the leak and assess the situation there.
So we're about half a mile in on fins and things, and JJ started leaking some transmission fluid stuck on this incline. So we're gonna winch him out into a flat space. Here we go.
We use a soft shackle connected to the lower control arm of the XJ to attach the winch and gently pull the rig up the hill.
Okay, I think that's about as flat as we're gonna get. Yeah, you are.
Currently, a third of the way up the hill on fins and things. Currently checking transmission fluid. Something happened and on this angle and it was stopped, and I noticed that yon vehicle was leaking like a bee, and so you probably saw a little bit earlier, Matt helped tow me up a little bit, so we're flat. The fluid has stopped leaking. Now we're just trying to see what fluid it was. Looks like I am on the low side of okay for transmission fluid. Oil seems to be all right, but we are not really holding our breath for anything, so stay tuned. I'll tell you what's up.
The leak subsides and fluid levels seem acceptable, so we decide to press on down the trail and avoid any obstacles with excessive inclines, which is turning out pretty hard to do on this trail.
Left ahead. You're left ahead. You're right. You're right. Straighten out. Straighten out. Coming. So you're about to hit the dip, and then you're going to go right. You're left. Sorry.
Now I'm turning.
That's the dip. Take it left. Nice and easy. Nice and easy, hard left. You're about to straight, not about to straight. left.
How's the back end there? Back end okay? Nice coaching, buddy. You're amazing. Yeah, you're good. Hold that line. A little bit. There you go. Big bump. There you go.
In Moab, it's easy to get lulled into a sense of awe as you take in the natural beauty that surrounds you. But danger is always right around the corner. As we pull up to the next obstacle, the earth below began to vanish. All we could see was our hood in the sky.
There's the tip.
Okay. There is going to be a drag at the end, but it's just
There you go, you clear.
That's the biggest one. We did it. That was the hardest obstacle in the whole thing. That is super creepy though.
We conquered one of the most daunting descents in the southern loop, and it seemed that everything was downhill from here, so to speak. Apart from a few hitch scrapes, we were able to navigate the last remaining obstacles with ease.
The hitch. It's okay.
You might be wondering who that guy is. That's Jason from Norse Overlanding 801. We met him along the trail and he was super cool. Helped us get through these last few obstacles with no problem. We emerged from Fins and Things more knowledgeable about our rigs and ourselves. Our skills as drivers and navigators and problem solvers had grown leaps and bounds over the last few miles. We can't wait to see where those skills will take us further down the trail.